Hey guys, we're back in another video, and today we'll be playing some Bed Wars. And if you haven't known, today is my B-day, birthday, and I might have to stop recording a little, probably at the 12-second mark because of people coming over for my B-day, birthday. So, yeah. Let's hop in. Alright. So this is Bed Wars 2 hours. They updated. Alright, let's go. I love bouncing. I might speedrun this. I don't know. I didn't know this was season 4. What happened to my sword? This dude killed me. Oh my gosh. I just don't know what's happening. I was gone for a few minutes and all of a sudden, people started attacking. See? Oh, that dude has bow. I need to get an alarm trap for 2 emeralds. Oh, no, I'm stuck over here. Because I don't have wool. Oh, I can mine some wool. Don't worry about a thing. Because every little thing are gonna be alright, 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 alright. Ah! Please! Hey. That was funny. Somebody just took over our island. Please don't kill me. I killed my own self. Why is he not going for our bed? See? Oh my gosh. Where's my teammate? I forgot what I'm on yellow team. I'm the only one on this team. And I'm gonna put team in the chat because I'm the only one on this team. Team. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna take off. Ah! No! This dude is like my bodyguard. He makes sure I don't go anywhere. Please, no. I got the worst team. Like, I'm about to go in camping mode. Yeah, I'm gonna go to camping mode in the... Bye. Please, please, please. I'm just a poor noob. Please, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging. Yeah, I'm good. I knew that was gonna happen. Alright, let's try this again. Without no people just trying to kill me out of nowhere and I have a team. I wonder what question mark, because I'm still trying to figure that out. Let's go. You wanna get beaten up by the Master Jace? The Master Jace? Boom, 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 boom. One second, I have to end the video right here. People's at our doorbell. Goodbye. Goodbye, I told you. Sorry.